Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We have a farm animals and safari animals. We have farm animals, gates. And snap. We have a goat. We have a ox. We have a horse. Have a cow. Another horse. Another cow. Another cow. We have a pig. Huge tree. Another pig. A baby ox. Another ox. We have a ram. We have a cutest rabbit. There's another pig. We have a donkey. We have another pig. Another goat. Another horse. We have a coyote. We have a duck. We have a sheep. We have a turkey. We have a rooster. A cat. Another cat. Just one more thing. A chicken. Another chicken. We have a duck. A dog. Another ram. All this. There's a lot of fun about farming.